Hey collectors, here is a look at Firefly from G.I. Joe Classified Series by Hasbro, and I would like to thank GC Collectibles for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of this closed box, you can see the picture of the figure plus the other accessories it comes with and other details for this product from Hasbro. Inside this box, you'll get two extra boxes. The first one houses the figure and the second one houses the accessories for Firefly version 2.0. Out of the second box, you will get this paper bag which contains all of his accessories. And mind you, again, I am not a fan of how the packaging of Hasbro is for this line because there are a lot of wasted materials. And to remove the figure, you have to cut off those plastic straps that keeps the figure intact inside that coffin carton box. Firefly stands above 6 inches tall, and like any other line on this figure, he is posable. But again, I would like to remind you to heat up the joints before you go on posing this figure to avoid breaking any part of the action figure. And here is a look at the backside of the figure. There are a lot of paint details with his uniform from the front to the backside. Once you find the center of balance for this figure, he can do a simple action stance on his own without the support of any action figure base. But again, I don't suggest leaving him in this kind of position because it will easily fall down, and there are complaints that this version has a lot of loose articulation. Well, in my case, there are, but I guess I have to just adjust and be content with what I got instead of having some breakage with a new action figure because the joints are so tight. So heat up the joints, don't force them to avoid breaking this figure. Firefly can either hold most of his accessories, or let's say weapons. The headgear can be placed on his head. There is a knife sheath, the controller for his spy drone, holster for his gun, and a functioning wheel for this gadget. And also he has mines. The backpack unfortunately does not open to store the other accessories that you will find for this figure. The only thing lacking for this figure are some paint details with all the sculpting that Hasbro made. And for size comparison, here he is with Yamcha from Dragon Ball by SH Figure Arts and Batman Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight Trilogy by Modoking Model Kit. With Trapjaw from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection by Mattel and Voltes 5 from the anime series with the same name by Bandai. With Ace McDuck from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon series by NECA and Cobra Commander from G.I. Joe Ultimates by Super 7. And finally, with Snake Eyes from the G.I. Joe Classified line and Tom Holland's Peter Parker from No Way Home film, both figures by Hasbro. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.